Good morning, dear student. Today we will study chapter 27 and 28. That's Guess the Sports and Trophies and Cups. Class 6, open your book fast. Yes. Chapter 27, Guess the Sports. You just guess the sports, which the sports is according to the sentence. I just read the sentence. You have this type of puzzle. आपको उसको crossword and this downword उसको fill करना है. First one, it is an outdoor sports played with an oval ball by two teams of 15 player each. Means 15 player होते हैं और दो teams होती हैं. Oval ball होती है. You know that everyone, that is rugby. Second one, for the down. It is a national sports of USA and bat and ball. Sport played between two teams of 9 player each. Two teams होती है 9 player each होते हैं. And this is a national sports of USA. That is the second one is baseball. This one, baseball. This is the first one. This is the second one, baseball. Now the third one. Third again for the down. A type of a sword fight in which the weapons used are foil, epee and the sabre. It is fencing. This is the third one, fencing. Next. Fourth, a racket sport played with the rubber ball by two players or in doubles. There are 4 players on the court, means 2 players for the singles and the 4 players for the doubles. Rubber की ball होती है. In 4-walled court. 4-walled court होता है, means 4 walls are there. So the answer is, that's the 4. It is squash. This is the fourth one, squash. Next, the fifth one. A sport that contains 3 events in it deadlift, squat and the bench press. What is the name of that sport? The name of that is powerlifting. This is powerlifting. Fifth one. Next, the sixth one for cross. In this sport, a wrestler called Rikishi attempts to push his opponents out of a circular ring. What is the name of that sport? The name of the sport is, that is sumo wrestling. एक वो ring बनी होती है, इसमें ये लिखा है ना sport. It is a wrestler called Rikishi and जो its opponent जो होता है, सामने वाला next player होता है, उसको circular ring पर push करता है. What is the name of that game? That sport you can say that is sumo wrestling. This is the sixth one. The next, seventh one, a unique sport of India in which one team sent a raider into a half of other team. The raider has to hold his or her breath during the entire raid, chanting the word kabaddi. Kabaddi बोलकर अपनी पूरी breath को रोकना पड़ता है. What is the name of that sport? It is kabaddi. This one. Seventh one. Next, the eighth one. In this sport, the player attempts to score points by rolling a heavy ball along a flat surface to hit object called pins. मतलब rolling उसकी ball होती है, उससे flat surface में उसको roll करते रहते हैं. That the game we call it. That's the eighth one. It is bowling. Sorry, it's bowling. This is the eighth one. Next, the ninth game. It is a sport played in water by 2 teams, each consisting 7 players. Means 2 teams होती है, इस दोनों में 7 players होते हैं, including a goalkeeper. Goalkeeper को include करके. What is the name of that game? This is water polo. 9th one. And the last one. This sport is played with the different colored balls on the last table. एक बड़ी सी table होती है, अलग different colored balls. That we call as snookers. This is the last one. This exercise is complete. Which is a national game of India? Yes, what is the national game of India? Everybody know that. This is hockey. Answer is hockey. Hockey. Next, your next exercise. Turn the page 29. Trophies and cups. What we call it? The greatest moment of any sportsman. If he or she received the special honor for living victorious. It is the ultimate prize for years of blood, sweat and tears. Means इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है कि आपका ना you have lot of sweating. कई बार किसी को चोट भी लग जाए. This is we called as blood and उसको एक ऑनर में उसको एक ट्रॉफीज मिलती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम घर का ही स्कूल का ही ले लेते हैं. स्कूल में आपको विन होते हैं किसी टीम्स के बीच में, तो यू गॉट द ट्रॉफीज एंड कप्स ऑल्सो, सो ऑन. नाउ विनिंग एनी ट्रॉफी गिव्स अ ग्रेट प्लेजर. ट्रॉफी जीतते हैं ना तो हमें बहुत खुशी होती है, एक्स्ट्रा प्लेजर रहता है. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? नाउ रिलेट द फॉलोइंग टूर्नामेंट और द चैंपियनशिप विद द स्पोर्ट्स. यहाँ पे टूर्नामेंट्स दे रखे हैं, इसको हमें स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेट करना पड़ता है. फर्स्ट रिलेट कीजिए, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट स्पोर्ट. फर्स्ट वन, थॉमस कप, ऑल इंग्लैंड ओपन चैंपियनशिप. It's Sudhir Aman Cup. What is the name of that? It is badminton. Next, the Liners Botmont MTEL Masters, we call it chess. Next, British Open, Augusta Masters, US Open, we call it golf. मीन्स इस तरह की नेम ऑफ द ट्रॉफीज है और ये टूर्नामेंट है जिसमें हमको इन स्पोर्ट्स में ये नेम है ट्रॉफीज के या कप्स के. नेक्स्ट, फोर्थ वन, एशिया कप, चैंपियन ट्रॉफी, सुल्तान अजलन शाह, इट इज हॉकी. नेक्स्ट, दुलीप ट्रॉफी, बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी, डियोडर ट्रॉफी, वी कॉल द नेम ऑफ द गेम इज क्रिकेट. नेक्स्ट, वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप, यूरोपियन चैंपियनशिप, NBA फाइनल्स, इट इज बास्केटबॉल. नेक्स्ट, नेहरू कप, दुरंत कप, IFA शील्ड, दिस फॉर फुटबॉल. नेक्स्ट, चेन्नई ओपन, फ्रेंच ओपन, ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन, दिस फॉर द टेनिस. नेक्स्ट, इट इज नाइन्थ वन, फेडरेशन कप, वॉल बकर ट्रॉफी, एस्पेज एडजेयर ट्रॉफी, दिस फॉर बॉक्सिंग. नेक्स्ट, हॉलकर ट्रॉफी, सिंघानिया ट्रॉफी, रुया गोल्ड कप, it is for bridge. Next, Gold Cup, Kings Cup, President's Cup, it is for polo. Next, Bledisloe Cup, Calcutta Cup, Webb Ellis Trophy, this is for rugby. Next, where it is next, it is 13. That's World League Cup, Centennial Cup, Indian Pradhan Trophy, this is for volleyball. Bharat Kesari, Burdwan Shield World Cup, Burdwan Shield World Cup, this is for wrestling. Next, the Beres Sport Cup, Grand National Cup and the Blue Ribbon, this is for horse racing. Your exercise is complete. Now the IQ test question. How many players are there in the football team? How many players are there? There are 11 players in the football team. Here it is. In this exercise, your exercise is complete and IQ test question is also complete. Thank you. Have a nice day.